And in news just in, Thailand's Constitutional Court has suspended Prime Minister Prayut Chan-ocha from official duty pending the result of his term limit review. Local media reports the court has accepted a petition to rule on his 8-year term limit. And it comes as Prayut had just begun his 9th year in office. Suspends Sayasombat joins us live from Bangkok now. Suspends, what does this court decision mean for Prime Minister Prayut?
Now, before we talk about what it all means, we have to explain a little bit how we got here to this place. We do not have an official confirmation by the Constitutional Court just yet. It was broke not too long ago by a fairly reliable local Thai reporter, and then, of course, it spreads like wildfire. It was supposed to be a press briefing by the Constitutional Court, but that has been now cancelled, and we are still awaiting an official confirmation. But it seems to be very likely that Prayut Chan-ocha is suspended, as the Constitutional Court has accepted 5-4 in a vote of 5-4 to accept the petition by the opposition to rule whether or not Prayut Chan-ocha has overstayed his term limit of 8 years or not. Now, the case, in essence, is basically, has his 8-year term started in 2014 when he became Prime Minister for the first time after a military coup, or is it actually much later in time when, for example, the Constitution, where this law is based on, has come into force in 2017, or actually has his premiership that is currently going on now actually started in 2019 when he was re-elected a Prime Minister, but under the first democratic elections after the military coup. But as of now, there's still no confirmation of that. Going forward, though, what does it mean if it has actually accepted the case? Well, the Constitutional Court has asked both sides, the plaintiff and the defendants, to send in their deliberations arguing their case. They have 15 days time for that. There's no timeline yet when there will be a verdict. It could be about a month until we get there based on previous cases and previous rulings. But it seems to be that for now, Prime Minister Prayut is not Prime Minister for now until there's an official verdict. Now, the question is then, who's going to take over? According to the Constitution and according to rules, and from what we heard so far, Deputy Prime Minister Prawit Wongsuwan is going to be caretaker Prime Minister in the meantime. 77 years old, also a military man like Prayut himself, also the leader of the ruling Palang Pracharat Party, so he will take over for now. Prayut himself has not been seen at Government House all day, but he has been working from home, linking in via video, via conference. It looks like he's going to stay home for a while, but we will be updating when we have the official statement and further details throughout the day.
Suspends, thanks for bringing us the latest. That was Suspends Sayasombat reporting live from Bangkok.